Welcome! Today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here you got your ringtone notification volume, and just to manage and change the your ringtone volume, swipe this blue dot with your finger to the left or to the right side, or also you can do that by here pressing on your volume buttons here on the right side of your device. Just tap here and go to the settings icon, and by the same way you can adjust your ringtone volume, and then just to save the changes tap to done. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.